In a world where sustainability is paramount, innovation is the key to address all global challenges. Hi, I am Anirban.
And I am Shreyas. We are founders of GreenVolt Batteries. Our journey begins with a very simple question. What happens to the lithium-ion batteries once they reach the end of their lifespan? Very easy, right? Just dump it like any other trash.
It is estimated that India generates around 70,000 tons of lithium battery waste annually, and it is expected to increase significantly due to increasing adoption of EVs and other energy storage applications.
Discarding lithium batteries poses serious threats to the environment as they still remain fire and explosive hazards even after the end of their lifespan. Improper disposal can lead to serious soil and water contamination as it can result in leaching of toxic chemicals into the groundwater and soil, disturbing the ecosystem.
Without recycling, we are already wasting a lot of valuable resources remaining in the batteries. Recycling will reduce the load on mining industries. As a result, less harm will be done to the environment.
In India, lithium reserves are limited. Therefore, we focus on developing new techniques for lithium recovery. Our students, Shreyas and Anirban, are working in the environmental lab of the department for optimization of lithium recovery from waste. It is expected that they come out with some novel process for lithium recovery which is expected to solve the environmental burden.
Combining pyro and hydrometallurgical methods with our refining process, we can achieve much higher yields compared to traditional methods. With this, we would be one step closer to meet the ever-increasing demand for lithium batteries in the market. We have the opportunity to directly supply extracted lithium compounds to prominent players like Tata Chemicals, Amara Raja, and Exide Batteries, all of whom have recently started expanding into lithium battery manufacturing.
So our model goes like this. Firstly, we collect all the used batteries from government recognized as well as private segregators. Then the process starts with shredding the batteries and separating them into mineral-rich black mass and the electrode metals for further processing. We are developing our refining method at Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra. In a nutshell, we are on the verge of achieving the perfect combination of refining processes to get the highest possible yield, ensuring efficiency, commercial viability, and environmental safety.
Our vision extends beyond recycling. Considering the increasing market for lithium-based batteries in EVs, solar farms, consumer electronics, and even in data centers, we aim to capitalize on all these markets by pioneering the manufacturing of lithium-based batteries.
We strongly believe that sustainability and profitability can go hand in hand. By creating a circular economy, we are not only protecting the environment but also creating economic opportunities. So join us in our mission to create a sustainable, greener, and better future.
Together, we can make a difference.
GreenVolt, taking technology to a new level.